Hi guys, and welcome back to Charmed by Ashley. It's been a minute. Yeah, I've been not posting a lot of tutorials in the past while, and I think we all know why that is. But of course it all stemmed from, what's been going on in the world and just having two small children. But I'm here to say that I'm not going anywhere. So I am this is a I'm back video because I felt like I left, but it was, like mentally, everybody hasn't really been in great headspaces. And in Canada, it's just been a lot harder on mental health around here these days. We have had 3 lockdowns up until this point, and many people have lost their jobs, their livelihoods, their families, just from the division that has been created throughout, the world. Luckily, I still have my family. I still have my husband and my children, and everyone here is happy and healthy. But, when it came down to school and just those commitments, those took priority before, of course, the YouTube channel, sadly. But I'm here back, and I also have fully recovered from my carpal tunnel surgery. So my hand is a lot better. This is where I got the surgery, right here. So I feel like I can do more things, and I went ahead and built myself a cutting table. I am going to do a craft room tour because I did do a little bit of rearranging. I went over to IKEA and did, a few purchases, and I feel like I have things a little bit better. I also did get a new puppy, so if you guys have been following me this long, you know that we did lose Evie back in February, which was another hardship that we had to endure. And we ended up getting a little Australian Shepherd who's barking at the cat right now. Blue! His name is Blue. Here, Blue! Come here! He's really good though. Like, I'm able to do like my videos and stuff with him in the room. He kind of just chills beside me. He's a blue merle. I'll put a little picture here, and so you can see him. He's super sweet, and he's been just like a little blessing to our family. He's just been great, especially after, such a hard thing. Losing an animal is never an easy thing, but especially losing an animal when they're only 1 year old. It's just unfortunate and unnecessary, and I just don't recommend anyone ever having to go through that. But we are, things are looking better. Ontario, Canada is expecting a full school return, so I'll have more time to dedicate to YouTube. Of course, July was kind of like just hang out with the kids, no school. We get to do some things together. So now that August is rolling around, our kids start school in September. So, now we're starting to get into that mode of, okay, it's time for back to school. So time to get organized and all that stuff. So I'm super excited to be back finally, and to correspond with you guys and post more on, Facebook and Instagram. And so I'm very sorry about my just, complete disappearance. It's definitely not how I would have wanted to do it, but it's so hard to admit to things sometimes and just be like, hey guys, I can't do it right now. So sometimes it seems like it's better just to kind of step away, but then sometimes it kind of worries people, so it's not really good either. So I apologize for that, but hopefully going forward we can have a strong and amazing relationship and get some more tutorials. I am working on one right now, so that one should be out very shortly. If not today, tomorrow, I'm not sure. We'll see how quickly I can edit this video. But yeah, so just want to say thank you for hanging around, and to my new subscribers. And I will have a better backdrop soon. This is quite the mess. I have a brand new backdrop that I'm going to use, and I'm going to try to appear in the camera more often. But I did have to spackle some holes, so it's not the cutest right now, but you'll see in that room tour that I will do in the coming weeks. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.